Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve TikTok call problem. When try to call show this problem. They are on a voice call, try again later problem on TikTok. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold TikTok. Click on app info or I button. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage. Tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search TikTok. Update TikTok app if available Play Store or App Store. Hopefully in this way you can fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.